What's his name, Abdullah? I didn't get. Hi.
Muhammad.
Oh. How are you, Musalman? You're good? Yes. Good to see you. Nice. You go to school? Do you go to school? Yes. Do you go to school like Bhaiya? Yes. I can't hear you. Tell me yes. No, you don't go to. What he's saying, Abdullah? No, he's saying.
No, he's saying I'm not going to school now.
Oh, you're not going to school, okay. But you will go to school, no? You will go to school, right? Yes, good boy.
Telling yes.
Nice.
I had always facing the challenges while I
Ma'am, today I'm going to my cousin's birthday.
Okay, okay.
We are going to leave at late night.
So where you will be going today?
Mahi.
If they give me
You'll be going to Mahi. Oh, nice.
What?
I cannot do without.
And then we will go to Juhu.
What place?
I don't know, some beach. Some,
I had
We'll
raised
go to
the
Juhu Beach. Okay, okay, nice, nice.
a beach or something.
Suranan as well.
Nariman
So
Point.
why don't we have the
Nariman Point you will go to. Okay.
have to
Most
have
of time we go there only. And we have ice cream.
Oh, nice,
I have also ice cream. Do you want
Ma'am, in
ice cream?
Saputara we went
Do you
on
want
like
ice cream, Aisha?
some cart.
I can't
Some
have ice
sodas.
cream. I'm sick for the past 1 month with a bad cough.
Access to that.
I cannot have ice cream.
Ma'am, every night I get cough.
Okay. Ubada, you're quiet. How are you, Ubada?
I'm fine.
Do you
You're
want
fine.
ice
Good.
cream, Aisha?
Okay,
Chocolate ice cream. Do you want? This
I
is
am
chocolate.
ready. Yes.
This is chocolate. Take the chocolate.
This is
Take the
softy ice cream. Softy ice.
I got the
What is
ice
that,
cream.
Afan?
Do you want a big cake?
I'm eating it.
Take the
The
big.
plane is going down, up, down, up, down, up.
Acha, okay.
Take
Ma'am,
the
I
ice
went in Saputara. We went up. We went in two big mountains. So there was a cart, like zipline cart, something. We were going there.
Oh,
And I
really?
was shouting, "Wee woo." It was at least so high.
I understand.
Can you see my
And then on the other side, we were playing, and there was
Ma'am, can
a
you see
small
my
gun
favorite
toys and all.
favorite animal? Can you
Yeah,
see?
yeah. I want to see your favorite animal. Where is your favorite animal? Show me.
This panda.
Panda. You like panda? Nice. Mm.
Ma'am, isn't this the
Huh?
funniest?
Good afternoon, Ahmed. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, is this the funniest face?
I'm happy today. Today, yaar.
Even I love whale, Ubada.
Even
Adiba today is looking like a bunny rabbit.
ma'am, what is your?
Hi, Adiba. How are you?
Ah,
Fine.
Adiba is looking like a bunny rabbit today.
yes.
Ma'am, what is your 1 minute?
Muhammad.
Ma'am, what is your this? I forgot what it's called.
iPad. They
Yeah,
want
what's your bunny
beach.
rabbit today, Adiba?
Ma'am, what
Ma'am,
are
how
these?
can do like this?
Ma'am,
they-
I'll to become a rabbit.
I'm very impressed.
Become a
Can
little
you
piggy
tell
now.
Ma'am, I'm a pig.
Become a lioness now. Become a
Ma'am, can
bear.
you tell?
I don't know if
Can
there's a
you
panda
how
bear
can
over
do
here.
like this?
Oh,
Ma'am, how
Hmm.
can do like this? Can you tell
I'm a
me?
bear.
You have to go to the video filters, right? And you can do this.
I don't know.
I'm a bear.
Filters?
Ma'am, Corona.
This looks-
Ma'am, I'm going swimming.
You're going swimming. Why?
Now I'm in VR.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't see. I'm in a different world. Ma'am, I like this.
What is happening? What is happening?
Ma'am, video filter.
Yeah, video filter.
I
Okay,
don't know
you know, I can even come on TV like this, you know. How about looking
Yes.
at your teacher on TV?
Ma'am, you're watching
You
it.
are in not TV,
Ma'am, I'm in
man.
a microwave. Just press a
Yes,
button.
ma'am.
Let me press one button. It's getting warm. Now
Okay.
it's full warm.
All right. So, let's
Ma'am,
begin,
can you
children.
tell me what is this called? I forgot its name. 1 minute. Ma'am, what are these called?
I don't know.
No, not the symbol name.
So children, today we are going to go back to the lesson from where we had stopped. Okay. Okay, so today, children, we are going to do what is a prefix. Do you know what is the meaning of prefix, children? Who knows what is the meaning of prefix?
A word
I
that
am
changed the other word
with my
meaning.
laptop.
A letter that changed the meaning of a word.
Okay, where do you put the prefix? Before the word or after the word?
If we put another alphabet in a word, it changes the meaning of a word.
Okay. Ubada and Adiba, please start your videos, children. I don't like when the videos are off. Okay. So basically, children, a prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word. So when you add a prefix to the word, you change the meaning of the word. Okay. Like for example, the word happy. Okay. What you have to do is you have to add a group of letters. Okay. So I'll add a word
Happiness.
plus happy. Okay. Gives me what, children? Unhappy. Right? So this.
Ma'am, disappear.
Yes, disappear also is a prefix. Very good.
Appear and disappear.
So this, children, okay, it's the group of letters which are added before a word, and that is a
Non and
prefix.
Prefix.
Okay, and what happens is it changes the meaning of the word. Okay, like for example, the first word is happy. Unhappy means what?
He is not happy.
Not happy.
happy plus
Okay.
unhappy.
Yeah.
Happy plus unhappy.
Did you understand, children, about the prefix?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now what we are going to do, children, is we are going to solve these questions. Okay. Now, the prefix non means not and or opposite of, and we have to rewrite the following sentences, adding the prefix non to fill the gaps. Okay. So the detective thought what the burglar said was dash sense. What are we going to write here? We have to add, children, the prefix.
What is the question, ma'am?
We have to add the prefix on. Non, sorry, non, not on. We have to
Ma'am,
add
what
the
is
prefix.
Nonsense.
Very good. It is nonsense. The author wrote dash fiction books.
Non-fiction.
Yeah,
Non-fiction.
very good. So, non-fiction books. Oh, this one is little bit, 1 second, children. I'll just write it again, okay, for your eye. Okay. We booked a
Non-stop flight.
very good non-stop flight. Okay. Now, let's go to the next one, okay? The prefix means I shall know annotating on the screen.
Misbehave, misjudge, mistake, and mislead.
Yes.
Very good. Excellent. Good. Mistake, misbehave, judge, and mislead. Okay. So when we add a prefix, like for example, what is the meaning to behave? What is the meaning to behave?
Misbehave.
Something better.
Is not
Yeah.
behaving
If I
like
tell you we
normally.
must behave in class, it means to say you should act in a good, act in a particular manner, but basically in a good manner, right? In class. So, misbehave means Abdullah Ganja, you should not misbehave in class. What does it mean? What should Abdullah not do?
Something
You should
not
behave
wrong.
good.
Yeah, you should not behave in a wrong manner. Very good, Afan. Excellent. Okay. So what you're going to do, children, is you are going to write sentences of each of these words. Okay. Now, can anyone give me a sentence with misbehave?
He misbehaved in a class, in a test. He
But
misbehaved in
Afan,
a
we
test.
have to only put misbehave, not id, not misbehaved. I don't want the past tense. Present tense.
Misbehave.
He
Abdullah Ganja, you must not misbehave in class. Yes, that was one sentence I had given you. All right. Judge, misjudge. How will we add misjudge? In a, how will we add it in a sentence?
The judge suddenly
Na, fun.
misjudged.
Na, beta. Misjudge. We want misjudge.
Yes, misjudge.
Where is misjudge?
See, the words are misbehave. We already got a sentence for misbehave. The next one is
Misjudge.
judge. Okay.
Mistake.
Mistake. And the next one is mislead.
Mislead.
So you have to give me a sentence for each.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say to mistake?
Like one sentence is Abdullah. Oh, sorry for giving capital. Abdullah, you must not misbehave in class. Okay, this is one sentence. Now misjudge. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell to
Misbehave.
say to mistake?
Yeah, but we want a sentence with misjudge.
Misjudge. The teacher
Misbehave.
misjudged me. No,
must misbehave. Judge.
A man misjudge a boy.
Abdullah.
My uncle misjudge my sister.
Okay. How could
Miss-
my uncle misjudge my sister? Good. How could my
My brother.
You are misjudge. Misjudge.
Misjudge my small brother.
Hmm?
Small
Okay.
brother.
very good.
Mistake.
Now
Mistake.
mistake.
Ma'am, can I
I did
tell
a
mistake,
mistake in my
mistake?
I did a mistake in my test.
Very good. I did a
I
mistake in my class.
Ma'am, can I tell one more time?
Yes. Tell.
I'm mistake.
I did a mistake today. Okay. I did a
mistake today.
mistake today.
In
What
her-
mistake you did, Abdullah?
Nothing.
In my class.
And fun, if your videos are off, I'm not going to keep you all in class. Okay, please. Okay.
Today.
Misled. What is the meaning of misled? Give me a
Mis-
sentence of misled.
What
Mistake.
means
You are mistake.
Misled.
Misled.
Aisha.
Aisha
Misled.
I'm misled.
my dog.
Misled.
I misled my dog.
Aisha misled Ubada.
I'm
Ma'am, can
misled my book. I'm misled my book.
Okay. No, you can't say misled your
I'm-
book.
I misled my dog.
Oh, Amatur was misled by Aisha. Okay, let's put this.
What means misled?
Misled means to give a false lead or a wrong lead. You know, lead direction. It's like Amatur gave Aisha a wrong direction.
Ma'am, you can
Yes.
say Aisha.
Amatur misled
Misled Aisha.
I'm very bad at my place. Whenever we go somewhere,
Aisha, you have such a big name.
AAESH.
Amatur misled Aisha today. Okay, Amatur, you misled Aisha today. Okay. Aisha, Amatur, no expression on your face. Huh? Did you misled Aisha?
My name is so big.
Aisha's name is so big and Abdullah's name also is so big.
My
Adipa's name is nice, short and sweet. Abdullah, Amatur,
Ubada also.
Afan, Ubada, such big names. Mamma Mia, how am I going to write the names on the board?
My name is short.
my name is so big. I think 8 letters are there.
Yes, Amatur, did you misled
And
Aisha?
Aisha's name is 7 letters.
Yes,
are
ma'am.
there.
Okay. She said yes, ma'am. She misled her. Okay. Now we have to add the prefix miss or non. Okay. So what will stick become?
Mystic.
Mystic? Are you for real? We have to add the correct this, either miss or non. So what will stick become?
Non-stick.
Non-stick. Very good. What will heard become? Non-heard, misheard.
Miss.
Okay.
Non-heard.
What will print become? Misprint or non-print?
Misheard and
Misprint. Misprint.
non.
Misprint. Misprint. Misprint.
Okay.
Misprint. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
misprint.
non-stick, non-existent, and misheard, non-print.
Misprint. Okay. What does existent become? Misexistent or non-existent?
Non-existent.
Non-existent. Non. Non.
Okay.
Non.
Okay. Okay. Now, children. What? Who is crying?
What is that background noise?
Abdullah, are you crying in class? So loudly.
No, ma'am.
Like a small baby, you're
Brother is
crying.
crying.
Oh my, Abdullah, you're
My
crying like a
brother-
baby.
No, my brother is.
Okay, let us go to the next part. Are you all enjoying the class, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you'll make
Yes,
it.
no,
Afwan,
no, yes, no,
the
yes,
way
yes,
you
no.
said yes, no, it was like, no, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, no, yes, no,
Now
yes, no,
when we
yes, no,
say
yes,
yes, that means you'll make it hard for us.
I know he's saying like, huh, yeah. And you know, he's yawning like this, okay? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, also yawning.
Yes.
I think Afan is feeling very cold today. He's worn a sweater.
Ma'am, you can see behind me I have a small blanket.
Are you all feeling cold?
You.
Yes, I am feeling cold.
Oh
Even me.
my. Ubada is not feeling
Because
cold
the
today.
fan be so fast over here. Because
in
the fan is
Canada.
so fast,
Ma'am,
I
Hmm.
feel so
Canada
cold.
is where
I can't hear Ubada today. Ubada is not saying anything. Ubada, Adiba, they are not talking today. I don't know what happened to them. Are you all there in my class?
Everyone's face is coming near the screen. I'll also come.
Adiba, Ubada, you all are in class?
No,
Hello?
ma'am. I am in Dubai.
ma'am.
Why are you all both quiet today?
Ma'am, I'm long gone in Dubai. See, I have my
Ubada.
glasses also with me.
Yes, ma'am. They was not talking.
Ma'am, I'm going to Dubai with my glasses.
Specs.
Ma'am, I'm going to Dubai with my glasses.
No, this is my specs. Give me. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I don't have time for all these things. Now, let's look at some more prefixes. Okay. Now, we already saw non and miss. Okay. There are more prefixes like anti. Anti means against. Okay. Like antifreeze. Then co means join together or coordinate.
And the prefix. And auntie, you are not there. I think.
It's not auntie. It's anti. Okay.
Auntie.
Or
And
joined together or coordinate. X means out of or away from. Okay. So X means out or away from. Now, we have some words with exterior, anti-clockwise and coexist. So in the opposite direction, the way the hands of a clock move around. What is it? Exterior, anti-clockwise or coexist? In the opposite direction to the way the hands of a clock move round. Is it anti-clockwise, coexist or exterior?
anti-clockwise.
Very good. The outside of something. Is it exterior or coexist?
Ma'am, your voice is so laggy.
The outside of something.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it exterior or coexist?
What? Okay.
The outside of
Exterior,
something.
exterior.
Very good. To live together or something that or at the same time? Together or at the same time. What is it? Coexist. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Coexist.
Okay. Now copy the following sentences and fill the gaps with the words adding the prefix anti, co or ex. A monkey has eaten my cake. Dash claimed Tapiwa. Exclaimed, co-claimed or anti-claimed.
Kapiva? What name is that?
A monkey has eaten my
X.
exclaimed. Very good.
Coke.
The detective cooperated with the policeman. Good. The patient gave an probiotic, exbiotic or antibiotic. Antibiotic. Very good. Okay. Now, let us go to the next topic, children. The next topic that we are going to do is pronoun. Children, do you all know what's a pronoun? Okay. What are nouns, children? What are nouns? Tell me. What are nouns? Can anyone tell me? Noun means name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now what is pronoun? What is pronoun? Pronoun refers to the words that we use instead of the noun. Okay. So for example,
Like Aisha was playing.
Aisha was playing. Yes. So Aisha.
We can't say she was playing, he was playing. We have to say
She is
ma'am, we can say like Aisha was playing outside and then what?
Why is everyone putting my name?
No,
I'm very
why
famous,
Aisha is
ma'am.
famous?
I'm
No,
so
Abdullah was
famous.
playing outside and he came inside like we
Ma'am,
can't call
we are
again and
getting
again one
recorded.
name. Abdullah gone out and Abdullah came and drink water. Abdullah like
I
not
am
like
very
this.
famous.
No, you are not.
It's
Ma'am,
very
Madhab,
You have to say like Abdullah was playing and he came and drank some water and he gone outside and
Ma'am,
he
I know
started
Arabic.
playing again.
Why we are not taking Amatur's name or Ubada's name? We took Abdullah's name too many times today. No, Abdullah, too many times you took your name now, beta, today. Okay.
Nobody takes my name also.
Okay. So when we are talking about pronouns, children, it is a word
Can
that
I tell an example?
yeah. So now example, Precious made the cake and she put it on the shelf. So now
We can't say Precious
Precious made the
made a
cake, right? Yeah, children, can we like mute ourselves? I'm explaining. Okay. So Precious made the cake and she put it on the shelf. Now the nouns over here are precious, cake and shelf, right? So now instead of putting precious again over here, we have used the word she, and that is precious stands for she and cake stands for it. Okay, so when we are writing a sentence, we don't repeat the noun again and again. What do we use? We use pronouns. Okay, so pronouns are like I, me, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them, you, it. Okay, now let's do this thing. So now it says here, we use the pronoun she instead of the name. Precious and the pronoun it instead of the cake. This is the thing that I have just told you right now. Okay. So now let us solve the question over here. Precious made a trick cake and used the trick cake to solve the mystery. So the trick cake, what will it become, children, in the pronoun? What did cake become over here? It became it, correct?
My video because it's very laggy.
Okay, so this sentence is going to become Precious made a trick cake and used it to solve the
Precious. Yeah, precious.
Precious made a trick cake and used it. So instead of the cake, what are we going to put over here? We are going to put it. What we are going to put?
It. Very good.
Did you understand, children?
Yes,
Are we
ma'am.
going to
I'm
put
very good.
it.
I'm understand. I know.
Okay. Precious asked Tapiva if Tapiva had spoken to the teacher. So instead of Tapiva, what are we going to put over here?
Is. Ish. She.
Yes, we are going to put.
She. S-H-E.
Everything's black.
Okay. Now when Tapiva saw the crumbs on the floor, she tasted the crumbs. What will the crumbs become?
She.
She tasted sheep.
It.
Ah, she tasted.
I think.
Okay. She tasted it.
Afan was not telling number answer.
Okay. Did we understand, children?
Yes, I'm understand.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
No, ma'am.
when it is she or he, when it is the name of a person,
When it is the thing, we
If it
have to. If it is a thing, we have to write it.
if it is the name of a person, we either put she or he. Very good. Okay, there are other ones also which we can put. Okay, now copy the sentences and fill the gaps with one of the pronouns below. Did dash eat the cake yourself? Ask the teacher. Which one are you going to put? Did Did we eat the cake yourself? Did I eat the cake? You eat the cake or they eat the cake? Which correct pronoun you're going to put over here?
Ma'am, you.
Yes, you. Did you eat cake? Very good. Dash both to find out what happened. We, I or they? Okay, it can be they, it can be we also. Now, dash am pleased that my plan worked, said Precious. We am pleased or I am pleased? I am pleased. Yes, correct. The monkeys were struggling to free themselves, but Dash was stuck. We were stuck, I was stuck, or they were stuck? Children?
I don't know.
Bada?
They were stuck. Ma'am, can you tell me how you're so laggy?
The monkeys were struggling to free themselves, but Dash was stuck. Is it we were stuck, I was stuck, or they were stuck, Ubada? They were stuck. Very good. I just read your lips. That's it. Okay. Now, what you're going to do, children, is you're going to use these pronouns in your sentences. Okay. The singular, plural ones we shall do in the next class. Okay. So, children, today we learned prefixes and we learned about pronouns. So we are going to revise all these things and complete all the activities in our notebook. Okay, children? Bye, children. Take care.
Finally, I'm free. Bye, Tata. Bye, bye.
Tata. Bye.